Grand St. Andrew, Jamaica. A policeman is left nursing his wounds, ladies and gentlemen, as he was fired upon in front of the police station. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. If this is your first time tuning in, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. If you want to hear the truth, leave your comments, like and share, ladies and gentlemen. A biker shot a cop in front of the police station in St. Andrew Saturday morning early around 6:30 a.m. A policeman is left nursing a gunshot wound after he was shot and injured by a motorcyclist which came on a routine spot check while he was doing his duty in the Grand St. community in St. Andrew. Now, reports are that the officer had signaled the biker to stop, but instead of observing the officer, the biker rode up and put two copper in on him. He pointed the weapon at the officer and fired. The policeman sustained injuries to his leg while the motorist fled. The incident occurred approximately 6 a.m. between 6 a.m. and 6:30 a.m. right in front of the Grand St. police station in St. Andrew. Now, colleagues upon the area hearing the gunshot came to assist their colleagues and rushed him to the hospital. The area was cordoned off and proceeding for the crime scene detective and forensic to gather evidence. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Grand St. is a community well known for its historical violent, history. No, but shooting the policeman in front of the station now is deeply troubling. When cartel say, Grand St., we don't play them the game there, the thing in our hand. Yo, listen to me, people. In the term, the distance from the actual police station is probably about 2.9 kilometers from Halfway Tree, the parish's capital, and roughly 4.2 kilometers from Kingston, the nation capital. So you know, say in that the area, the city, where them no have no pity. Holly police in front of the station. We not afraid of people. That's what they're telling the policeman. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a disturbing situation when the lawman is at the station doing a routine traffic stop and he might get touched by the Uzi or the Glock. Listen to me, people. Leave your comment. Make me know what is really going on. Leave your comment if you know. How come Jamaicans are so brazen and so vile? How we are so careless and careless when you have no love, no care for no life. And when you tell them the truth, say them dark, illiterate, docile, and them, that's why so much people are dead. Them get upset and fled. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm reporting live here at the Deep Roots studio. It's an unfortunate news. Early Saturday morning, the policeman was left nursing gunshot wounds to the leg because him they are Grand St. in the community of St. Andrew. Listen to me. And him a do a routine traffic stop. And guess what? Him get clapped. One gunshot. But you know, say, because him bridging them hear the firing, they rolled out, assisted the police officer, and greatly assisted. Give thanks to him not dead. Them bring him into the hospital, but the motorcyclist fled. Them not catch him. Them yang are put we in a trouble, cause they're going to treat everybody on bike like these Barney rebels. Hit that red subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your comment, and if you know nothing, the Jamaican police, them want you help. Call up the Grand St. police or even 119. Yeah, or the Crime Stopper. Listen to me. We want Jamaica to move proper and more life more joy. If you're living good, you know you are my dapper. Big up on yourself, family and friends. Subscribe, like, and share. The man, them cover him. At the station, them don't care. Them no fair.
Them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning. Them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder. Them got to mix with the world. And there's some black people that put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them will them shit and kill. Look how much them put under. How much of the youth them will them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rasta man and a real fire king. Boy, fire king, Rastafari soldier, fire king. Yeah, balalang man,
Pick up the TV. Respect, make sure the